When life knocks on my door, I put on my boots. Okay, practice with me. When. Your first finger on your lead hand goes around your first finger on your support hand. When. Life. L hands. Put your palms in and bring them up the sides of your body. Life. Knocks. So in a bit you're going to learn door, and you're going to knock where that door is. Knock, knocks. On. Place your lead hand on the back of your support hand. On. My. Here's the door. So you're going to place your hands on your support hand side, and you're going to use your lead hand and bring it open and shut. To clarify, when it opens, your palm is going to face the opposite side, and then it's going to close. Door. I hand on your chest. Put. It's a P to a U. The P is down and the U has the fingers going out for put. On my boots. So you have B hands, and you're going to put your fingers out, and you're going to tap the sides of your hands together twice. Boot, boots. Okay, practice saying it with me now. Ready? When life knocks on my door, I put on my boots. Or, when life knocks on my door, I put on my boots.